Very, very good morning, dear students. Today we can do the Latin square design problem by shortest method by using calculator. Example, LSD experiments were conducted on the plot of sugarcane. The design and yield per acre given. Analyze the data and interpret the result. Look here. A 20, B 15, C 25, B 18, C 20, A 15, C 16, A 25, B 20. My dear students, and if you see this, my dear students, look here. If we go through the data, as the data contains the big numbers, and therefore the calculation becomes somewhat lengthy. That is why we are using the coding method to do this problem. The coding can be done by subtracting the lowest number plus biggest number divided by 2. That is, lowest number is a 15, biggest number is a 25. 15 plus 25 divided by 2, it is a 20. And subtract 20 from each reading and form the table. I have formed the table here. A, the 20 minus 0, and similarly B minus 2, C minus 4 means I have subtracted 20 from each observation. And B minus 5, C 0, A 5, and C 5, A minus 5, B 0. Now, look here. This is the given data. I have formed the table. Now, you take the one more column, TI. TI is, look here, 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 equal to minus 6. This is the TI value. Okay. Then, similarly, minus 5 plus 0 plus 5 and 0 TI value. And 5 minus 5 plus 0 and 0 TI value. And similarly, you can form the one more row there, PI. That is 0 minus 5 plus 5 and 0 it is. And minus 2, 0 minus 5, minus 7 it is. And C minus 4 plus 5, 0. This is 1. And you take all the TI values, minus 6 plus 0 plus 0 minus 6, or 0 minus 7 plus 1. This is also minus 6. Okay. And last column is summation of xi square. And this can be calculated by calculator. No necessary. I will tell you how to get this 120 value. Now, N, the total observations. Total observation, look here, 1, 2, 3 groups are there. And look here, the 3 readings, 1, 2, 3. 3 into 3, 9. Total observations are 9. And rows, 1 row, 2nd row, 3rd row. Row is 3. And columns, 1 column, 2nd column, 3rd column. C is 3. And next, T, treatments. A, B, C, 3 treatments are there. T equal to 3. Hypothesis we have to state. Hypothesis, null hypothesis. H0. The 3 groups are there. 3 treatments are there. 3 columns are there. Therefore, M1 equal to M2 equal to M3. This is null hypothesis. And alternate hypothesis, reverse of this. So M1 is not equal to M2, is not equal to M2, is not equal to M3. Then this statement H0, HA, true for rows, columns, and treatments. Then at least one means M1 is not equal to M2 equal to not equal to M3. At least one may be true. All 3 may not be unequal. The calculation. You write the formula only here. Say CF equal to T square upon N. And T square upon N means you go to the table. Look here, T is minus 6 square divided by 9. Minus 6 square divided by 9. Look here, minus 6 square divided by 9, 4 CM. Okay. Then TS. The TS is summation of xi square minus CF. This is equal to, and keep this blank. and equal to TS. I will get you this value directly from calculator. No necessary to calculate here. It is a lengthy process. Okay, SSR equal to summation of TI square divided by NI minus CF. Simply write the formula. If you not remember the formula, you see the booklet, the formula booklet, and write these formulas. Again, mark here SSR, and no necessary. I will get this value later on from the calculator. Then SSC equal to summation of Pi square upon Ni minus. This is also, look here, SSC. You write the, simply box it and write SSC. I tell you how to get it. And SST can be calculated by rearranging the table. The rearrange the table means all values of A you can get. A whose values are 0, minus 5, plus 5. And this is Qi, the sum of them is 0. And B, all the B values you write here. Minus 5, minus 2, 0. And the sum is minus 7. And all the C values from the table. 5, 0, minus 5, and 1. Then you write SST, summation of the Qi square divided by Ni minus Cf. And this is equal to, simply write. I will tell you how to get them. Okay. Now, next. Look here. ANOVA table. This is very, very, very important, my dear students. And the examiner see this table and this bottom written judgment and give the full marks. Look here. ANOVA table. Variations. Degrees of freedom. SS. Sum of squares. MSS. Look here. Mean sum of squares and F ratio. Now, variations. Rows. The degrees of freedom is R minus 1. 3 rows are there. 3 minus 1, 2 is degrees of freedom. And columns C minus 1. And 3 columns are there. 3 minus 1, again 2. And treatments. And T minus 1. The total treatments are 3. 3 minus 1, 2. And error is T minus 1, T minus 2. Look here. T 3 minus 1. Again T minus 2. This is again 2. Then total N minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8 it is. Then SS. Look here. Now SS, SSR. This is row. SSR, SSC, SST, SSE, TSS. My dear students, I tell you how to get the TSS value, SSR value, SSC value, SST value from calculator. And SSC can be calculated by calculation. Look here. Sum of all these 4 equal to TSS. And TSS minus these 3 things equal to SSC. Okay. Now, look here. That I will tell you how to do it. My dear students, please look here. Look here. Now, we can find TSS, SSR, SSC, SST by calculator. Look here. Casio FX 991 ES plus as follows. You can use. TSS means what? This is variations. The variance, total variance of the table. That is N into sigma x square. N is 9. Sigma x square you have to find out. Then how to find out the sigma x square? Look here. On the calculator, you press the mode button and then press the third button and start button and again press the 1 button variable and enter all the values. Look here. Enter all the values here, my dear students. Enter all the values. Look here. You enter all the values here. See here. Here. See. Enter all the values. These are, look here, 0 equal to button, minus 2 equal to button, minus 4 equal to button, minus 5 equal to button, 0 equal to button, plus 5 equal to button, 5 equal to button, minus 5 equal to button, 0 equal to button, AC button. Okay. Now, enter all the values. You enter all the values. Now, look here. You enter all the values here. Now, AC button. And press the shift button and 1 button. That is start button. Okay. Now, again, afterwards, the 4th button you press. Then that is variance. Then, again, the third button means that is sigma x you are getting. But what I want, sigma x square I want. Look here, sigma x square. And then you press the x square button. It becomes on the display sigma x square it is. Into n. N is 9. Into 9. The 116 is coming. That is the TSS value. That TSS value you can enter here. Look here. TSS value of 116. Okay. Now, next. Now, next, my dear students, please look here. SSR calculation you have to do. SSR equal to summation of Ti upon Ni minus X bar, X double bar. What is X double bar? The grand mean. Grand mean means the mean of already entered values. Then how to find out? The look here. Already all X values are entered there. You press the shift button, one button, mean that is start button, again number 2 button, that is X bar, and press the equal to button. Whatever you are getting, that is the X double bar. And I want to use it in calculation, therefore you can store it in a letter X. Look here. For that purpose, shift RCL X and AC button means you store this value of X double bar in letter X. Okay. Now, next. Look here. Next. Look here. Ti upon Ni, you have to calculation. Look here. Ti upon Ni means, see here, Ti, I will show you here. Ti. Look here. Minus 6 divided by 3 equal to button. You press it. Minus 6 divided by 3 equal to button. You press it and store this value in a letter A. That is shift RCL A AC. And here 0. 0 divided by 3 equal to button. And store this value in a letter B. That is shift RCL letter B and AC. Clear? Okay. Then here 0 divided by 3 equal to button. Means 0 only. Then shift RCL letter C. Means you store this value in letter C. Okay. Now, after storing them, look here. Now, my dear students, look here. Yes, sir. See here. See, I have stored the value of the X double bar in X. And I stored the value of Ti upon Ni in a letter A, B, C. I want to use them now. Look here now. See. Next, mode 3 means start button, 1 variables. Then you take alpha A minus alpha X equal to button. Alpha B minus alpha X equal to button. Means enter this value in the X column. Then alpha C minus alpha X equal to button. And AC button. You enter all the values. Then shift 1. Start and press the third button, that is sum. Then again 1 button, then that is summation of X square, and multiply this by Ni. Ni means 3 values are there equal to whatever is coming, that is the SSR. What is the SSR? 8 you are getting. Look here, 8 you are getting, and enter in column there. Okay, next. SSC. Now look here. SSC, my dear students. Similarly, you can find out SSC. Now this is equal to what? Summation of a Pi upon Ni minus X bar. The X bar is what? Grand mean. Already it is there in the letter X. And you have to find out P1 upon N1 equal to button and store this value in letter A. And P2 upon N2 equal to button and store this value in letter B. And just like an earlier case. And P3 upon N3 equal to button and store this value in letter C. Okay. Now already you stored this P1 upon N1 in letter A and P2 upon N2 in letter B, P3 upon M3 in letter C. Then again, mode, third button, Stat button it is one variables it is. Then look here. I have stored this pi upon ni in a letter A, B, C, and x bar is in letter x. Look here. Alpha A minus alpha x equal to button. Alpha B minus alpha x equal to button. Alpha C minus alpha x equal to button. AC button. Then shift 1 stat 3. Third button sum. Then sum we want 1, that is summation of x square into ni. Ni means 3. That is 3 columns are there. Then equal to button, you see into multiply this by 3 equal to 13 you are getting. That is SSC. Okay, in the same way you can calculate SST. Look here, SST also summation of QI upon ni minus x bar. X bar is already there, grand mean, and now you have to calculate Qi upon Ni. Q1 upon N1 equal to button. You store this value in letter A, and Q2 upon N2 equal to button. Store this value in letter B, and Q3 upon N3 equal to button. Store this value in letter C. Now afterwards, the mode button you press 3 stat 1 variable. Now look here. This Qi upon Ni stored in a letter A, B, C, and x bar means x. Look here, alpha A minus alpha x equal to button, alpha B minus alpha x equal to button, alpha C minus alpha x equal to button, AC button. Again, shift 1 stat it is, and 3 sum. Again, 1 summation of x square we want. Multiply this by number of treatments. Number of treatments are 3, and you are getting 13. SST. Now, to calculate the SSE, TSS minus SSR minus SSC, then 116 minus 8 minus 13 minus 13, 82 you are getting. Okay. Now, the rest of them you can enter them in the column. See here, my dear students. See here, I entered here. SSR 8, SSC 13, SST 13, SSC 82, TSS 116. Now look here, MSS equal to MSR equal to SSR divided by R minus 1. Means SSR divided by R minus 1. 8 upon 4. 8 upon 2 it is. 8 upon 2 it is 4. Look here, 4 it is. Now, next, this is MSC equal to SSC divided by C minus 1. SSC divided by C minus 1. 13 upon 2. This is 6.5. I rounded it to the 7. Okay, it is 7. Then next MST, SST, look here, SST divided by T minus 1. 13 upon 2, that is 6.5. I rounded it to the 7. Then next, MSE equal to SSE divided by T minus 1, T minus 2. Look here, this is 82 divided by 2. This is 41. Now, F equal to, my dear students, in the book it is given, MSR divided by MSE is given. If MSR is greater, here what happens? MSE is greater than MSR, MSE, MST. So that MSE divided by MSR, MSC divided by MSC, MSE divided by MST you have to take. FR equal to MSC divided by MSR. Suppose if this MSR is greater, if it is 60, then 60 divided by 41 you have to take. But here 41 is greater than 4. Therefore, MSC divided by MSR. This is 10.25. And similarly here also. Look here. FC equal to MSC divided by MSC, because MSC is greater than MSC. Therefore, you take it. Means 41 divided by 7. This is 5.86. And next, FT equal to MSC divided by MST. Look here. 41 divided by 7, and again 5.86. Now, the FT you have to calculate from the table. That is at 5.05 level of significance. Degrees of freedom, R1. Look here, this is R1, 2. It is all are 2 only. And therefore, degrees of freedom for the R minus 1 is also 2. C minus 1 is also 2. T minus 1 is also 2. And the error, look here, this is sigma 2 it is. Look here, sigma 2, that is also 2. And from the table, you are getting 19. And compare this 19 value with these three, FR, FC, and FT. Look here, FR, FC, FT. Yeah. Now, here. Now, FR 10.25, smaller than 19. FC 5.86, smaller than 19. And FT 5.86, smaller than 19. And look here, all are smaller than table value. Then H0 is accepted for rows, columns, and treatments. Okay, and in this way you can solve the problems. Yes, wish you good luck, my dear students. Wish you good luck in coming exam. Thank you.